Asomo yo mwancho muligereria abwigeteseni kya Ndizi TV chinga yangu kwaregania asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabano mubaso lituko nelia Jumapili chitariki 19 mutenyino yo gatano narimo umwaka bw'ikiri w'Ibere na 2022 ni ariganire kurugaiga se studio nkumanya senchira yo bwenge naralia yagendrete gokoreka ime na isiko yaliroba lya gusi no nyankenya engima yendrabo igo gutubwatia wetera se mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News ansemo ya Facebook nabo igo YouTube nabo gotonyora abwo Ndizi TV News nekerobwate chingaki nabo go tweet @Ndizi TV News go soto mekerengererikiao wetera se namba ya SMS eyuere ase TV yao kuiranande asegeke kekerebosyo ageren kumanyinga naralia na kwariganire asomo baso obono Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita no liatokubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tuya chake kurwase county ya Kisii abwaso yokolie kirogo kyobo jumbe ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Samuel Omwando bonarorekanire gakomochia bagavana bali bagotebereria ba Kenya gochora abarai bali batagete ekerobono baguche gukora chintunda chiabo kurwa abisi asensemo ya bagavana Omwando nigaganirie abananchi kwa wali bagali abo likirano iliko echorera abarai barabo isagucha kwene kya magenderero ase chinsemo ao ime ya Kenya anene mono asorogongo rwagusi waigo na kwanirete igoro ya bali bagusali chiposta chibana gose chibicha chabarwanereria bebirogo ao ase county ya Kisii
yarorekanire abagavana bali barengechi office all over the republic igo bakora amabe while they were in office bono nigo batagete naende onye ndi nyasako banchira buna baro batagete nigo bayigwetangana abakungu babo na abana babo baire birogo byabo bono go bagasa ine gonya koligi abairi na basani babo ngabaire birogo tuabayigule batakire gosoanana the independence of elections etwari koboria IEPC eba above reproach tese gotegerera abantu batali party to elections ngo advice inde abaki bechikura na abakirwa bechikura candidates and voters chinjira nechinyinge togo ikera abaki bechikura nabo toko baikera gwetere radio to ngacha abande over the radio to ramonde over the radio naende kubaboli ase posters campaign materials muna chibana chiposter onde pues tigaikere abaki bechikura gwetera chiposter chiaya gwetera chibana chiaya onde tabaise gosalia campaign materials tabaise gosalia chiposter chionde chibana chionde bwensi kiro monto akole campaign freely na inu abamogo kole campaign abamule agents naende mule candidates tiga na inu gokora ebintu in a provocative manner muna bono ngende bwe opponent yane mmanyete nganero gwe yakere kura naende ngeko beka chiposta chiane wall yaye itakiaye obuno botumbafu beka tiga kwa provocative tiga go chegia abande beka chiposta chao in common places on the roads beka in social places beka in common places egere mo manyekane lakini dali yoko genda bwe opponent yao chiko mobekera bolele I think ine mistake
Omo waziri wechisemi Professor George Magoha nigagendrete goteba buna umorobelio muya OCBC nigogendrete gwikiranigwa asense ya Kenya iligo kine birengo byechisemi asaborokiwa kolengana na Magoha nigatebire buna ebirasi chiribwi isano ne mone chimisano nigo byarosigwe na koera abwaso birasi binde chiribwi isato ne chimisano birachake kwagachwa omutinyo gatano na kabere oyole bosyo eligo ikirania ebirasi biri serikali wetera ase wizara yechisemi erengete gwikirania ebirasi chiribu 10 Magoha nigo baigaburiria Bible kobwatesyo morobelio moya OCBC bunenjere ya moyogo kinya ebirange byo bya masomo aiga Kenya nigarenge ase skuru ya Buruburu Girls imimocho Nairobi ekerachi tukuigora ebirasi bibere by'umurobiri mujya OCBC ase nchira y'obuikirano abwasa tebete nare no mogoko ase ngencho umurobiri uyu nigogenderete guikiranirwa chinsemo ao aiga Kenya.
Process of ensuring that the capacity there, the extra capacity that's in these schools, are tapped into the junior secondary school section, and to ensure that we top up the number of teachers in the high school that they are going to be joined with. Very closely with the private sector. Yesterday I was at the Pioneer School, where they have converted a whole new 15 classrooms into junior high school standard. The school has only 200 slots, and it had 10,000 applicants. So we apply affirmative action. We are also still playing around with the fact that for schools like Pangani and Kenya High School, the ones that are so popular, do we allow them to have a day wing for junior high school purposes only?
Ekiombe kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission viko waterana nebyombe binde nseyeli ya buli lia uwiano platforms nigo bachakiri umurobelio bwo kwenekia buna aba Kenya kwenekia baromorembe bosio bo bochoryo bonene buli bosio nigo boigo batebire buna abana siasa banyareko babakulinda chinkwa na chiabo chinga kibagwikirana ase chi campaign aso bochoryo bonene bo mwako yoiga elio gutanga chiburaburu kwenekigwa buna chiri cha negativwe aso mwaka wechiri wibere na isano na ibere omwaka wechiri wibere na isano na isato na bateba buna ense ya Kenya nigeganetyo morembe no botoereru.
Who said that peace is the greatest weapon for development that anybody can have. It gives me great pleasure with today as we launch Let Peace Win campaign, a very important peace campaign to a product of Uyano Platform for Peace, whose aspiration is to rally Kenya and sustain peace as we move closer to 9 August 2022.
We are here in an election year, and therefore countering hate speech and ensuring that we do not go through the ravages of 2007, 2008, and it's that post-election violence again should be top on our mind, every Kenyan and everyone who lives in Kenya. This scar in our collective memory should serve as a reminder of what hate speech can do to a country.
The Commission is ready to help Kenyans maintain peace and ensure that come 9th of August, all be well, and the period thereafter, Kenyans will be assured of peace.
As young women, we've been working with various partners to make sure that the environment is safe and conducive for all Kenyans, particularly women and also young women who are vying for positions.
Abagaka begesa ku kiaba ikoyo na abagaka korwa segesa ku kiaba Masai abo bamenyete aseli bebelie county ya Kiambu ne county ya Kajiado. Litskoligoro nigo baigwana nete go chamo na kubeko morembe anene amatuka magega nigo ebisaku ebyo bibere barenge koleta obotutukano magega yo boibi bwetugo kwenekigwa ase libebelyo abwase baigwana nete kwenekia omorembe anene bosyobo bochori bwumwako yoiga kolengana no mokonyi bo commissioner we county ya Kajiado West omusubati Edith Njambi nigatebire omorembo yo oiranire magega yabagaka bwo korwa sebisaku bibere koiwana na gutiga obututukanu obwanyariko aboko enekigwa asenga kentambe.
Hapo awali tulikuwa na wakati mgumu, wakati tulikuwa na shida ya warani, uwizi wa mifugo, lakini kwa sasa tumetulia na tulikuwa tunataka tu kujikumbusha ambapo tumetoka na mahali tuko sasa hivi, na tuchukulie amani kama kitu ya kawaida ya mzaha, manake sasa tunaangalia ku-maintain hiyo amani, especially sahi wakati wa siasa.
No monsache omowi miaka 35 nigabe gutubyara bwigoro n'abanyanyimbo begetaseni gya kikumini magega yo gotoka gasimegete enyasore isaine shilingi milioni 10 abo magega yaje omusacho yo naende nabe gutubyara asama machajo yo gotoka gasimegete enyasore kolengana no mo chief bwensemo ya Masinga county ya Machakos nigo mosacho yo agochagwikigwa ase getaseni ky'abanyanyimbo musagochagwikigwa ase kigambero litukolia ankyo Jumatatu chitariki 20 achekwiraneria amamocho yogotoka gasimegete enyasore mugondo kwae. Na wikirabu mwanchu murigereria na ngwikiro mwelio bwa mangana majia senjera y'ubwenge Chinsa Isano na Ibere cy'abano mubaso ngwakangambia mono asibali bagendera kurigereria gwetera senjera yo mtandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya Facebook. Asante sana Dante, Samuel Nyamari, Abuki Juma, Silvanas Matagaro. Awonsi mbali bagenda tukurigereria gwetera senjera yo mtandao gendera boigo kwa ime Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwo mugusi nkoira nande na inda SMS yegachi koraga Chinsa ikomi chabona magaroba nkomanya yo mona yanda mange asenjera iyo bwenge mbiyamono wuchase producer yo morobelyo yoiga akorokwa omosai jimo oyonekia buna mariogi nechibicha agochira senjera yo boikirano mbiyamono boigo wuchase olitokubwatera na komo asensemo yebimanyerero nigakorokwa Joshua Auta na inje nakoyaletera asenjera yo bwenge nigonkorokwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.